Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Translate in Google Sheets. It's an amazing command and a super awesome way to use the tool Google Translate. So all you need to be able to do is use the command Google Translate. That's one word, all caps, and then you're going to put the source translation, the original language code, which English is EN, Spanish is ES. So I'm going to put the source language code and then the target language code, and then you'll translate it like so. Here's an example. Let's say I have um, the English word hello world, so I can have hello world, and then the source is EN, and then the target is ES. It translated as hola mundo. Okay, and that's translated into Spanish. Similarly, okay, so this is the simple way, and more elegant way is to reference cells. So for example, you can reference this cell, A7, B7, C7. So this is the text to be translated, the source language, and the target language. And that's a awesome way to be able to translate. Similarly, this is English to Chinese, English to German, Korean to English, Spanish to English, Spanish to English, and Chinese to English. So the command Google Translate inside Google Sheets allows you to very efficiently translate, and potentially you could translate hundreds or thousands of translations all at once completely for free. So the Google Translate function inside Google Sheets, completely free and a great way to be able to translate. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.